Hello, model car fans. Welcome back to another episode of Scale Model Car Chief. I'm Steven. In this episode, we're going to be doing a channel update to the music and my opening introduction. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be doing the unboxing of the Back to the Future DeLorean Snap Kit by Polar Lights. The box art looks really nice. Let's see how here's some information and some detailed pictures with we got the Mr. Fusion reactor, and then I guess it's the original reactor that helped power the DeLorean or the time machine. Let me take that back to bring Michael J. Fox's character to the past in 1955. Here we have a little bit about the car and the information and the background story of the movie. Let's go ahead. I already unwrapped it. I'm going to leave a lot of these parts in. We know basically what they are, but I'll just kind of cover over what's in each bag. Here we have the wheels, the tail lights, the headlights, everything done in chrome. Looks like the out of time and the barcode license plate from when he comes back from the future. One thing I will say about this, man, the detail looks great for being a snap kit. I love the brushed stainless steel finish that's already on it, so I will not be painting, or I can't do anywhere close to being that good of a paint job. So I'll go ahead and leave the snap kit, but the detail is very crisp. Let's see what we have here. The clear glass, the windshield, and well, that looks very nice. Keep that in. The tires. Looks like we have some fat skinnies. So front, rear, and 2 axles. There's the original reactor and the Mr. Fusion reactor and the chassis pan. Not a lot of detail there, so I guess most of this is going to be in the painting and those type of details. It's a curbside kit. Heck, we have a flux capacitor that powers the nuclear reactor to bring it back to the future. So, no need for an engine. It can be a curbside kit. Alright, so here's a look at the instruction sheet. Let's start at the front. Okay, one thing I noticed here is it says 10 to adult on the instructions, but the box cover art says 8 to adult. So I still fall in that category. So, alright. Everything's looking good. But there's only 2 stickers for the entire kit, so it's going to be a lot of detail painting. A lot of parts for a snap kit. So that's pretty neat. So that's looking very nice. And I think I'll go for the Fusion or the Mr. Fusion reactor, just so I don't have to have the long hook pole that grabs the power line from the original first version of the car on screen. Look at the interior box art. There's the hook I was talking about. Lightning bolts. It looks like a face looking out of the smoke there. Kind of looks like a Bigfoot. Maybe that's where Bigfoot's hiding. They say he's a hide-and-seek champion. See, just to the left of the lightning bolt, it looks like he's I I always see things like that. Let's see if we got anything on this side. Yeah, kind of the same thing. Looking at Bigfoot behind the lightning bolt. Well, this is a great movie. Yeah, great characters. And I appreciate each and every one of you tuning in to watch this channel update and unboxing. And we'll see you on the next build. So we're out of time. So set your dials and we'll see you on the next one. This is Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief. Have a safe and blessed day. Thanks for watching. Take care.